So if you recall in a previous video that I had filmed, a lot of the books were laying flat. And now they're all standing like this, which makes it a little easier sometimes to see the actual title of the book. I'll film them all here for you. A lot of the books are sold already from the last time I was here. I was going to make a little joke, but Sandy, if you're watching, I think you'll know my little inside thing. Great kids books here for sure. I'll take a look at the Easter things. I'm surprised. I love these little treat sacks. I don't need them. They're super cute. You can easily have them on display, stuff them with some pillow fluff, but I'm really actually surprised that they don't have all the big wooden signs and decals and all the Easter trucks and stuff like this. Oh, I purchased some of these little treat sacks. I couldn't leave them behind last time. But yeah, they don't have any of them here. Oh, these are so cute. And they're super fluffy and soft. The plushie. Yeah, so they don't have any like Happy Easter or the truck signs. Is anyone else surprised as much as I am to see these being restocked all the time? I guess Dollar Tree just picked up on last year that they sold out so fast. They're like, okay, well, we'll just send more stock. If you enjoy coloring or know someone who does, these books, not this one here specifically, but these ones here, they have such beautiful thick pages and they're only one-sided. Oh, I like this one. I hadn't seen it before. It has a lot of straight lines. I might need this one. Aren't these the cutest little puzzles ever? The little girl reminds me of like a Raggedy Ann. So cute. you know what's coming. Stickers, more stickers, and then craft goodies. So I'll try to film. I posted not too long ago being here, so if you could go back a couple videos, you'll get a little more thorough craft aisle tour. But there's always something new here that I always find. A couple weeks ago there were bumblebees in the stickers in the jewel area, but now they're all sold out. I was just hoping to see if they had restocked them. Oh, this is new. I love all their wood stuff for DIYs. This here has it's 10 pieces in a pack, and they're really large craft sticks, I'm surprised to see that the 2-pack mini wreaths are, or frames I should say, are not in this aisle here, in a different aisle.
No, sorry.
I've been searching for these, not thinking my stores had them. Isn't this print beautiful? I just love them. I'm gonna grab that one. I know a few of you enjoy looking at the fake nail sets that they have here. Actually, ooh, this is totally my color, my style. Very cute. I'm not a big wearer of, well, I don't do very bright colors, as you guys probably have noticed, but I probably should try. I mean, I did blue last year, and that was fun, but I usually stay to pretty neutral colors. Let's go down and see some of the makeup and nail polish. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to take that with me and put it back where it belongs. I'm going back out to the front anyway, so. I actually really like this cream. Oh, it looks like they're changing the packaging. Different design. I really like using these on the chopping mats. There's 2 in a pack. I like using them on my craft table when I'm working with hot glue and stuff. Look what's back. The bamboo cutting boards. I'll let you know that if you're looking for the mini wreaths, take a look in the garden area because they might not be in the craft department. Anyways, I'm headed to the checkout. I hope you guys enjoyed walking through with me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. Look forward to sharing a haul with you guys very soon. Till next time. Bye, everyone.